So we're doing spark plugs today on a 2012 Mazda 3 2-liter engine with the Sky Active technology, and we're using these NGK spark plugs, and here's the part number. So first step, you need to remove the cover. So you need to pop up this way up, and you slide forward. There is these two pins, these and these will go here. These two. And then you have 10mm balls and you have one here too. Yeah, this only hand tight. Yeah, you need the 10mm long socket. So and then you can remove this bracket. This bracket will come off. And you remove these, the same size, 10mm, these two. You have 4. Yeah, you only need to remove these 4. Don't remove this one. This one just holding this for the valve cover. And then you can remove these pins. It's hard to do it by my hand. So you just press down here and you pull the plug. You can use like a screwdriver. So you just press down here with a screwdriver, and it will come off. So you can put this ignition coil and in order, like 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what it will do anyway. And you can inspect. Yeah, make sure there is no oil on it too. If there is any oil, probably because the valve cover gasket leaking. So you can put this on order like that, and you put them back the same way. Yeah, you need the 9/16 long socket with the extension. This spark plug size tool, and here the old spark plug. I think this is the original spark plug. After the car has 104,000 miles on it. So the new one came pre-gapped. So don't use any filler gauge or anything. You may just use some silicone on the silicone paste and the coil. That's it, but yeah, this already come pre-gapped. Yeah, I'm using this clear tube to pick up the spark plugs. Just, you can put the tube in after you loosen the spark plug with the tool. You can use this clear tube, because I have problem with the socket. I mean, the socket's a bit loose here. So this clear tube is a tight fit. So to install it, I do it the same way. So you slowly go down, and then you just start the thread slowly. And then you can use a socket to light. Yeah, I think the spark plug is too small or what. Too small for this socket. The plastic tube, plastic piece inside the socket. But you can just do it hand tight. Yeah, like that. And then you can use the socket to tie it. And here it shows just maybe I would say like a quarter turn, maybe, Yeah, that's it. Just to squeeze that gasket. So it's like a quarter turn. That's like this half turn. Yeah, so yeah. So Just a hand tied, I will say. One hand. Let's see, it will stop. So, like that. Yeah, that's it. Not too tight. So, for the silicone, you can put some silicone inside the tube. Just to protect the spark plug. And so here you can put just a small amount inside. And then you can install the ignition coil back. I think that's the name of it. So you put them back the same order. Yeah, next you'll put these screws back. So you just hand tied. Just hand tie these, because it's plastics, I think. Just hand tied. So let it go first, then these will go next. See. And then you have 5. 5 nuts. That's it. That's easy. So next probably you can start the engine and see how the car running. Thank you to the top.